welcome back to my channel, and today what I have for you is a small fall haul. If you watched my shop with us yesterday, then you will have seen some of these items, and some of them I've had for a while. So let's get started. I'm really excited. I think I'll start with Old Time Pottery first. This is in no particular order. Now these I went ahead and I had purchased in Pensacola, but I showed it to you some of these ribbons in the shop with us, but I thought that ribbon is gorgeous. It just has pumpkins on it with the gold glitter and the leaves. I think it is beautiful, and it was $2.99. They have such good deals there. And then I picked up this plaid, and you'll have to excuse my lighting. It's very cloudy again here today. I think we may have yet another storm, if you can believe it. But I love the plaid, and it was $2.99 as well. And then I picked this up. I just love all these fall colors, and this one's it's not glitter, but it has like a sheen to it, and it was $2.99. And then this one is different from this other one, just slightly. This one's a little brighter. I picked this up, but I love this plaid, and it was $2.99 as well. And now this one is just leaves, fall leaves. I think they're beautiful. And it was $6.99. And then here's the little scarecrows that I showed you on the shop with us. I just thought it was adorable. I've had this one for probably 3 weeks. I've had all this ribbon for about 3 weeks, and it was $7.99, okay? Now, and then the last thing that I got at Old Time Pottery was actually during the shop with us. This was 60% off. It was regular $9.99, and then it was 60% off, so it didn't come to much at all. This is gorgeous. It just says Bistro, and it has Celsius and Fahrenheit. I just think it's gorgeous. I think it's gonna be really pretty in my kitchen. And then I picked this up too at Old Time Pottery, The Fog. I'm always on the lookout for old movies, and I watched this movie. Now it's very scary and it's violent. It's rated R, but it's just for violence. It's very violent, but it's very, very scary. But Adrienne Barbeau is in this. It's a really old movie, but I really do like this. So I picked that up. I'm always looking, and I found that. Now I think we will go to Big Lots. I picked this up at our Big Lots, and it just says Farmhouse Pumpkin. And I love these colors, and it's just a sign that sets up, but I think it is adorable. When I saw that, they had a darker one, more orange, but I didn't really like it as well as this one. I love this one. Now this one was a little pricey. It was $16, but I loved it. I really did, and I couldn't leave without that one. All right, and then I guess we will go to Dollar General next. They have the most prettiest things. Some of them, not all of them, have their decor out yet, but I found this here in Pace. Actually, I found this in Pace, and it was $4, if you can believe it. I went to all kinds of Dollar Generals looking for my rugs. I've been in Pensacola, I've been Pace, I've been Destin, and I couldn't find anything. And then I came to this little one in Pace, and there it was. But I love it with the pumpkins and the leaves. Now this was the last one like this they had, or maybe they haven't put it all out yet. And then the pine cones, but I love this. And then this little thing to hang it from. I mean, it's adorable. That is a steal of a deal. I love that. And then I found some mats. It's not the ones that I went looking for, but I love these. It just says welcome, and it has the pumpkin in the orange, the green, and the beige, like a creamy white really. And the one I was looking for, this background was the color of this pumpkin right here, like a beige. But I saw this and I love it. And it was, let's see, $8. I love that. So I bought 2 of them. I had to get 2. Okay, so I have 2 of those. But Dollar General has so many nice things. It's unreal. Okay, and then we'll finish up with Dollar Tree. I got this at Dollar Tree here in Pensacola, and I thought this is their ribbon, but I've never seen anything like that before. I thought they had 2 other types, but I thought this looked more expensive with that like a rose gold leaf and then that really goldish background. I love it. So I picked up 3 of those. And then I saw this Hello Fall sign and I thought it was adorable. And that glitter is the same color as my glitter that I did on my pumpkin. So I thought, how cute is that? But I love the little pumpkin here. And this is dimensional right here. It actually sticks up and out. And then I love this little bow. I think it's adorable. And then I got, if you watched the shop with us, you saw this. These are 3 count of like metal words, and they have thankful, harvest, and welcome. And they're just metal. I mean, I was like, you gotta be kidding me. This is awesome. So I picked that up, and then here's the sign. It just says, bless our home. And it has the pumpkins, and this is actually sticking out. It's raised from this, and I think this is gorgeous. I've always liked Dollar Tree signs, but I really think they've stepped up their game a lot with their signs this year. Okay, and then I picked up this sign, Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. I think that's adorable, and it has the glitter, the gold glitter, and then the pumpkins down here with the acorns and the leaves, and then this is white glitter. I just think it's adorable. And then I picked up just some of these chopping mats. I always try to keep different things in my supply bin, so you get 2 pieces in this. I picked up 1 of these. And then I picked up some fall leaves in my shop with me over there in Destin. And this is a 5 count, and you get the green burlap leaves. And then they have these little hard ties on the back hooked to them. I just thought that was so interesting. I got 1 set of green, 1 of burgundy. I know it's kind of hard to see. And then I got these, and they're just like an orange. I think they're really pretty. And so they have a different variety of leaves. And then I got 2 packs of just these beige burlap leaves. I love them. They're like a maple leaf. I just love everything they're putting out. And then the last thing I have is just this sign, and it says gather together, and I think it is so pretty. I love how it looks distressed, and this is in that same glitter like I put on my pumpkin, and it has the little leaves and the acorns, and then this naturally is raised with the glitter, but I love it. It just looks, it looks farmhouse to me, but just elegant. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. I had fun purchasing all this, that's for sure. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.